Effective collaboration and communication are essential for business growth, but they can be challenging, especially when your team is expanding. Capital Electra X is made for engineers and leaders who aim to facilitate seamless team collaboration and help the team achieve their best performance. With Capital Electra X's cloud capabilities, your engineers can work together in real time and receive the latest modifications of the drawings instantly without the need for back-and-forth manual file sending, significantly reducing the time and effort required. Real-time collaboration enables direct communication to prevent messages, such as feedback, from being lost in translation. With commenter view and built-in chat, your team can get immediate feedback from other engineers and stakeholders and engage in real-time discussion. Sign up for a 30-day free trial. Get Capital Electra X subscriptions at even lower prices. Find us on March 15th for great deals. Boost your team's performance with seamless cloud collaboration. Capital Electra X. Designed for speed, convenience, and efficiency.